We are putting
tinfoil
in a microwave.
and it's gonna be a big light show.
This is how you do it.
Okay, step back. Everyone step back. Elias, step back. Now the things.
There's a leaf inside there, just so you know. And who wants the microwave poop?
No.
Just saying.
Whee! Look at the light show.
I should tell you, it's not good for you. Not good for you, is it?
No.
Sure is fun.
Okay, there you go.
Open it. Let's see.
Woohoo!
Did it fry my leaf?
Whoa, it's hot.
Oh, it didn't fry my leaf.
Nope.
Oh, it
That
smells
was
like
cool.
forest fire.
Yeah,